When you board a plane, one of the thoughts that comes to your mind is that you will fly safely. So this plane is perfect for this. Boeing 777, the standard of safety in the skies and its evolution.
The Boeing 777 occupies a special, almost legendary, place in the annals of global aviation. It has long since transcended its status as simply a successful wide-body long-haul airliner and has become a recognized industry symbol of reliability and safety. This reputation is not the result of a marketing campaign, but rather the logical outcome of a unique combination of a revolutionary design approach, advanced engineering solutions, and exceptional operational statistics, confirmed by millions of flight hours worldwide. The origins of the outstanding safety of the Troika 7, as pilots and aircraft engineers often call it, lie in the very process of its creation. Development, which began in the late 1980s, became a landmark moment for the entire aerospace industry. The Boeing 777 was the first commercial aircraft designed entirely using digital 3D modeling technology in the CAD system. This was a colossal breakthrough. Instead of traditional drawings and expensive mock-ups, engineers created a single virtual model of the airliner. This allowed them to design and verify assembly, thousands of kilometers of cable routing, and the installation of hydraulic and fuel systems digitally, eliminating thousands of potential conflicts and errors at the design stage that would previously have been discovered on the shop floor. This approach not only reduced time and costs but also inherently established an unprecedented level of precision and integration across all systems, which is the foundation for overall reliability. The statistics speak for themselves and are the main argument in favor of the 777. For many years, it has regularly topped or ranked in the top 3 in industry safety ratings, such as Boeing's Commercial Aviation Safety Report. Entering service in 1995, over nearly 3 decades of service, a fleet of more than 1,600 aircraft of this family has accumulated an astronomical number of flight hours, regularly flying non-stop across oceans. At the same time, history has recorded an extremely small number of serious accidents, and only one of them, an Asiana Airlines flight in 2013, was fatal, claiming 3 lives. To understand the scale of this achievement, it's worth comparing it to other wide-body aircraft that entered service during the same era. The 777's fatal accident rate per million flights is one of the lowest in the world. This is a direct result of its inherent stability and survivability. This survivability is ensured by a number of thoughtful design features. The aircraft's airframe, its fuselage, and, crucially, its wing were designed for an enormous service life. The 777's wing, with its significant flexibility, is capable of safely withstanding extreme turbulent loads. The cockpit utilizes a modern fly-by-wire system, which not only replaces mechanical wiring with electronic signals, but also incorporates sophisticated protection algorithms. These algorithms constantly monitor pilot input and flight parameters, gently preventing critical angles of attack or G-forces, thereby protecting the aircraft from human error in stressful situations. Particular attention was paid to the passenger cabin, where the primary battle for life occurs in a hypothetical emergency. The seats and their floor mounts are certified to the most stringent strength standards. They must withstand G-forces 16 times greater than the force of gravity. Fire-resistant and slow-smoldering materials are used throughout the interior, producing minimal amounts of toxic smoke when heated, which is the main cause of casualties in onboard fires. For the sake of objectivity, it's also worth addressing the safety concerns that have arisen with this model. These include incidents in 2020 to 2021 involving the in-flight failure of Pratt & Whitney PW4000 engines on certain Boeing 777 models. This led to the temporary grounding of these aircraft worldwide. The key point here is that the problem was isolated to a specific powerplant model, not the design of the 777 airframe itself. This is an important lesson, highlighting the holistic nature of aviation safety. Even the most advanced aircraft is part of a larger system, where the reliability of each component, be it an engine, a pump, or a sensor, impeccable airline maintenance, and the highest levels of crew qualification are critical. The vast majority of Boeing 777s, especially the flagship -300ER models, are equipped with other engines, the G90 or Trent 800, whose reliability and efficiency have become benchmarks. Thus, the Boeing 777 deservedly bears the title of one of the safest aircraft in history. Its legacy is a synthesis of the digital revolution in design, engineering excellence aimed at creating an indestructible structure, and a safety culture that tolerates no compromise. Not only did it carry millions of passengers across continents, but it also set new standards for the entire industry, proving that the highest level of safety is an achievable and measurable goal. The lessons learned during its creation and operation directly influenced the development of the next generation of airliners, including the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, making the 777 not just an airplane, but a cornerstone in the evolution of safe air travel.